Irregular verb pronunciation made easy. Hello, learners! Today we're going to dive into one of the most tricky areas of English language learning, the pronunciation of irregular verbs. Whether you're just starting out or looking to brush up on your English skills, this video is perfect for you. First, let's recap. An irregular verb is a verb that does not follow the regular conjugation patterns of past simple and past participle forms. And often, these irregularities also apply to pronunciation. For example, the verb read is pronounced differently in present, like read, and past, like read, tenses, even though the spelling remains the same. We've listed some common irregular verbs along with tips to help you pronounce them correctly. Let's start. 1. Bite, bitten. The past participle, bitten, is pronounced like bitten, with a silent e. 2. Read, read. The past form of read is pronounced like read, even though the spelling doesn't change. 3. Write, written. Written is pronounced like written. Again, the e is silent. 4. Choose, chose. Chose is pronounced like chose, where o sounds as in go. 5. Go, went. Went is completely different from go and is pronounced as it is spelled. Now, we have some practice tips for you. Repetition. Repeat the verbs in their different forms aloud. You can do this while studying, commuting, or even while doing household chores. Use in sentences. Using the verbs in sentences can provide context and help you remember the pronunciation. Record yourself. This can be a great way to hear your pronunciation and make necessary adjustments. We hope you found these pronunciation tips for irregular verbs helpful. Remember, practice is the key to mastering English pronunciation. So, don't be discouraged if you find it difficult initially. Keep practicing and you'll get there. Good luck and see you in our next video.